The new Foundations of Data Science certificate program at Carnegie Mellon. This is a brand new way to connect with data science at Carnegie Mellon. It's very excited. It's designed for anybody and everybody who might want to learn a little bit about data. And it's designed specifically for people who might be in the workforce already, or for people who are looking to transition from one degree program into another. Our primary learning objective for the Foundations of Data Science program is that people come away with an understanding of the entire data lifecycle. So not necessarily that they're becoming experts in technical skills, but that they really understand how the whole life cycle works. Even people who don't have a data science technical background, that's really, this certificate program is perfect for you. Because it recognizes that there are billions of people on this planet who have expertise in lots of different areas that use data, but they're not necessarily coding algorithms or like writing models. They may not be programming experts. They're experts in other areas. They're bringing domain expertise from healthcare. They're bringing it from marketing, right? We have experts who are interested in learning more about data. So if you are someone who's interested in our Foundations of Data Science certificate program, and let's say you have no programming experience or it's been years since you've taken a programming class, that's no problem. So the minis have all been designed to help people transition into working with data. They don't assume a very high level of math prerequisite background or programming prerequisite background. We're very happy to make recommendations for resources that will help people move into using those tools. But we're also happy to take people with the foundations and the background that they have. The courses are designed to provide that kind of support, to allow people to learn at their own pace, to learn as they go. Our goal for students who are entering this program is for them to have a foundational understanding of what you can do with data science. We, of course, are not going to turn anyone into an expert in data science in a certificate program, but what we can do is give you the terminology and some of the background and some of the skills in order to start increasing your facility and how well you're able to use data in your own work. One of the basic skills is to learn how to analyze that data. And so, for example, you could be analyzing data by building visualization tools that help you see the data and help you extract insights that you could use in making decisions in your everyday life or in your work. You might also want to build more complicated prediction models that help you predict what's the next move I should make, what is the next outcome that I'm expecting. What really stands out about the Carnegie Mellon Foundations of Data Science online certificate program is that it is inside an environment that has fully embraced collaborative data science and collaborative computer science, machine learning, artificial intelligence being used in every single possible discipline. The Carnegie Mellon environment fully thrives on that collaborative interdisciplinary approach. Carnegie Mellon has always been very connected to collaborative real-world problems. And so you're able to draw on decades of expertise in how do we solve real-world problems with these data science tools. It's part of the DNA of every single program. You'll be working with real-world challenges from day one, and you'll be working with experts who understand that it's not just about developing new theory or developing new prototypes in the lab, but how do we put that into practice? How do we actually make that work in the real world?